Hi guys, in front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select Personalize and mark Change Wallpaper. Now select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from HTC Wallpapers, some from Live Wallpapers. Then you can also enter themes or photos, like your own photos. I will go with this one. You can also preview it on both, actually not just on home screen. Tap on apply if you want to set it up as your wallpaper, and finally decide if it's for both lock at home screen, just your lock screen, or just your home screen. I would like to select this both options, and that's it. From now on you've got this wallpaper on both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.